Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it is currently a beautiful rainy afternoon, which also means that the rain is hitting the roof. So I apologize if you can hear that in the audio. Hopefully it's not too distracting. But anyway, it has been a while since I've done a sit down like fashion video, and I tried to think back over the course of the past month or so. I honestly could do like everything that I've been liking for the past year, but you guys probably wouldn't want to sit through that, so I tried to keep it within like a month, kind of like a monthly favorites. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Also, comment down below any video suggestions or suggestions in general that you have. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to turn on notifications so that you never miss an upload. And as always, everything will be linked down below. I feel like I should start doing a disclaimer that I do use affiliate links, which means that I get a teeny tiny little commission off of every click. It's no cost to you and it helps both of us out, so I feel like I should be more transparent about that. Anyway, I have a few categories of things that I want to show you guys, starting off with a book. It doesn't really fall into a category, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. It is this book. It's a radical guide for women with ADHD. As you can tell, I've currently been reading it. It's like a workbook, which I think is really interesting because like everything else I've read has been just like books, and I feel like there's hardly anything out there for not only adults but adult women. And just the fact that this book exists is awesome. Even within like the first page, I started tearing up because I was like, oh my gosh, like this is literally describing me. And I feel just like so seen working through this. And what I oh my gosh, like I said, it's currently storming. But what I really like about this is that it's not your typical like ADHD help book that's like, keep an agenda, set alarms so that you don't forget things. It's like, okay, yeah, I could have thought of that on my own. But this actually is like kind of teaching you how to like hack the way you think almost, and like realize like my brain as someone with ADHD works this way. And so these are the strategies that I can use to like not act on that, maybe like exploit the way my brain works, if that makes any sense. So I'm now going to move on to a few beauty favorites that I have. Actually, the reason that I have my hair in a ponytail is because I did a hair mask, and it's like this one that you're supposed to leave on overnight, from the brand PTH by Taraji. This is the After Dark and Overnight mask. This actually isn't what I wanted to include in things that I've been loving right now. I wanted to say this honestly isn't the best. Like, I don't know if it's just that I left it on for so long even though I was supposed to, but like my hair feels like really dry and greasy at the same time. Like you can see it like kind of like sticks together. Don't really like it. But one thing that I really do like by this brand is the Glow Up, which is a pure oil blend. And I feel like I should also mention that this brand is owned by a Black woman, which I think is really cool. Obviously, we should be lifting them up now more than ever, so I'm really happy to support. I really think this is cool because I've used like different hair oils forever. None of them have been like this, in that it like comes out solid and then you like rub it on your hands and it like melts into your hands, and like it's really nice. It also smells amazing. I really wish that I could smell right now because it smells so good. Next is something that is maybe a bit more of a splurge item, and it is the Pat McGrath, I'm gonna try not to blind you guys, Mothership 2 palette. It is thundering like crazy out there. Makes it kind of cozy though. We're just, you know, hanging out. These colors are absolutely beautiful, and like look at that packaging. Like it's so luxurious. I really like that it has like the bezel. But what I love about this palette specifically is that green color. It is so pretty. I'm actually wearing it on my eyes right now. I don't know if you can see. But like what I really like about it is that my eyes are blue, but when I wear this green, it kind of like brings out the green in my eyes a little bit more. I might just be imagining it. Like it also has a really nice weight to it, which I guess as a high-end makeup product, it should. Like the back is gold. It's just so cool. Like I cannot say enough good things about the brand Pat McGrath. Like they make great stuff. One last makeup thing is also green. It is this eyeliner, which if you watched one of my more recent vlogs, Anne and I went to Sally Beauty, and I got this like just on a whim at the checkout line. So like I haven't had this very long, but I've been wearing it like almost every day that I've worn makeup since I got it. And it is like the prettiest teal color. I don't know if that's actually picking up. But again, like I said, my eyes are blue, and I've always like secretly wanted green eyes. So like anything that's kind of like teal or more of a green, like I really like to bring out as much of the green in my eyes as I can. And I feel like this does a really good job. Next is this, and you're probably wondering what on earth this is. It is actually a lip exfoliator. It's from the brand Sonia Kashuk from Target. And I will admit, like, it's totally not necessary, but it's kind of just like a cool little gadget. I noticed, and I noticed this actually like from editing my videos recently, that I lick my lips constantly when I'm talking. And I think that's why my lips are always so dried out, and like even when I put chapstick on, like it doesn't last at all. So like this is nice not only to remind me to like exfoliate my lips, but like it also does a really good job. So I've actually been using this, and I've noticed that my lips are a lot softer from like actually exfoliating for once. It's honestly just like kind of fun to use too. This actually just kind of like happened by coincidence, but I'm gonna include the next two things together, which is this shaving cream and this new razor that I got. I guess I'll show you guys this first. This is from the brand Leaf Shave, and it's just like absolutely beautiful. It's so pretty, and I love like how much like range of motion it has. I have been getting ads from them on Instagram for so long, and I previously had a subscription to Billy, which I do like. Their shaving cream is actually really good, by the way. But I like broke the handle on my razor, and I was like, you know what, I just kind of want to try something new. So I gave in, and I got the starter kit for this brand, which comes with the razor, a stand, which looks like this. It's like super duper heavy and really pretty, and you can just like put it in there like that. And then it also comes with, I think, oh my goodness, 50 blades, and like a little tin to put the blades in when you're done with them so that you don't put them in your trash. Part of why I decided to switch also is because I got so sick of getting like plastic like razor blade pods in the mail every single month and then just like throwing them away when I'm done. And so this is, I guess it's not zero waste because you're still getting rid of the blades. I guess you can recycle them. But like since it's metal, there's no plastic involved, and it's a bit more of an eco-friendly alternative. Going hand in hand with that is this, I forgot what it's called, shave cream. This is the Skintimate Bloom. I feel like honestly part of the reason that I really like it is just because of this really pretty packaging. I also really like it because I feel like with traditional shave creams, it's like so easy to use too much, and then it's like too thick, and like you're like, I can't even like see my leg. Then if you use soap, it's like not enough like to make the razor really glide and feel smooth. So this is a foaming liquid. I feel like it's really like the perfect like in between. Plus it smells really good. It's a very light floral scent. I guess that's why it's called Bloom. That's everything for makeup. Now I'm going to move on to accessories and stuff. First of which are these glasses from Warby Parker. I got these actually last summer, and I do have a prescription, but I never really wear my glasses just because I feel like they mess it up. So I went to LensCrafters, had an eye exam, and sure enough, I do have like a very, very mild astigmatism. But I also told them that I do a lot of work on the computer, and so my eyes get really tired. So they gave me a prescription that is more for like up close. I forget what that's called. So I can't wear them when I'm driving because everything in the distance is blurry. If you guys have been watching my vlogs, you know that I've been taking summer classes, and I have been sitting in front of the computer for like almost 8 hours a day. It's ridiculous. So I started wearing these again, not only because my eyes have gotten really fatigued, but also because they have a blue light filter. And I noticed that my sleep quality really did start to suffer because I'd be working on assignments on my computer until like 1 a.m. some nights. And so like obviously that's a lot of blue light, especially my desktop. It's like a huge screen, and I admit I sit way too close to it. I'm always like, huh? So that's a beautiful face I'm sure I just made. So obviously I really like these because they've saved my eyes, but also I forgot how cute they are. So I have two bags to show you guys. First of which is this little baby Dior. Again, if you've been watching my vlogs, you've already seen this. I got this as a reward for myself for getting a 4.0 last semester. I think this is called the Nano Oblique Pouch. I've been obsessed with this pattern. And it's like super duper small, as you can see. It's honestly just a wallet. It like doesn't really fit anything at all, but I don't know, it's so pretty, and like I love the look of the chain. Like it's such a nice feeling looking chain. I kind of have a weird thing about like not really wanting to support designer brands just because I feel like they're not like the most ethical companies, but this is like the cheapest bag, if you'll even call it a bag, on their website, and it was a special treat. But it's so pretty. I've been wearing it like every day. But if you want something that is definitely more affordable and more practical, I have been wearing this a lot. It's from Urban Outfitters, as you can tell, and it really reminds me of like Off-White. I guess that's probably what they're going for, but it adds kind of a cool like utilitarian look. I wear a lot of just like white and like black t-shirts with jeans and stuff, and I feel like the way to bring those outfits out and like make them actually different and make them appealing and interesting is with accessories. So like things like this that are like still simple and kind of like minimalist but like add a bit of interest, I'm really into. And I feel like this is like the perfect size. I actually went on Urban Outfitters website to check to make sure that it was still in stock, and it's currently on sale, so I think it's like $24, and I think it was $36 when I got it. So if you want to get this on sale, it will be linked down below. Now I'm going to move on to clothing items. Well, I guess, do shoes count as clothing or accessories? I don't know. But I have one pair of shoes to show you guys. They are these Converse. These are the, I think they're called like the Chuck Taylor 70 or something. They're supposed to be like how they actually looked back in the 1970s, which I think is so cool. I love anything retro, and I don't know, I'm such a sucker for things that are like this is the way that it was made, like the original version. I'm like, oh, that's so cool. Like it's almost like a piece of history, but it's really just a marketing gimmick that works. The logo is like a patch instead of just painted on like in modern ones. And then I don't know if you can tell, but this is like shiny. It's like kind of glossy. Yeah, there we go. Instead of matte. And of course they're off-white instead of bright white, which I really like. When I saw these on ASOS, ASOS or ASOS? I feel like it's GIF versus GIF. Anyway, when I saw these on ASOS, I was like, oh my gosh, those are so cute. And I'm sure you guys remember the white Converse trend, so I looked for mine, and I couldn't find them, so I was like, okay, well, I'll get these, because I guess you guys know, but like, I feel like you don't know anything about me anymore, because I don't post anything. But you guys might know that I love a good white sneaker. That's like all I ever wear. Now I'm actually moving on to clothing. First thing is, yet again, kind of an investment piece, which is this dress. Super wrinkly because I didn't iron it after I wear it. Super wrinkly because I didn't iron it after I wore it. If you guys watched my first vlog after coming back, you will recognize this dress. It's from Reformation, and they had like a quarantine sale. They say they never do sales, so like it was a once in a lifetime, probably not a lifetime, experience. So I had to spring because this is like the most beautiful dress that I've ever seen. It's got this kind of like overlapped hemline. So my sorority's colors are actually red and green, and before Rush got canceled, or not canceled, it got moved online, but essentially canceled. One day the dress code was a green dress, another was a red dress, and then the others were just like random days. So I actually got this to wear for the green day, and then like I said, green day. Like I said, it got canceled, but it's still so pretty. Like I just want to wear it like every time I need to wear a dress. And then going the complete opposite direction, I have also been loving this sweatshirt that's from Glossier. Again, if you guys have been watching my vlogs, you've seen me wear this like multiple times by now. Anne and I actually like cut the hem so that it's more of like a cropped hoodie, which I really like. Usually I'm not like a hoodie person either. I usually like ones that are like just crew neck sweatshirts. But I will say, there's something about having the ability to just like put the hood up and like block out the world, which sounds really moody of me, but like it's just really cozy. I don't know. You'll also have seen these if you've watched my vlogs, and these are these white jeans from Target of all places. Kind of like at the beginning of the spring, I was really looking for a pair of ivory jeans, and I couldn't really find them anywhere. I found one pair on ASOS, but then of course, as always on that website, I swear, they sold out before I had a chance to get them. So I was like, okay. Like I went to Target one day and they were just on the clothing rack, and I was like, oh, okay, Target. Like you know your audience. That's great. And they're kind of like a straight leg, like they still have like some shape, and they're really high-waisted. Like I will only buy high-waisted pants nowadays. And then they've got these holes in the knee, which I could honestly go without, but I don't dislike them. I feel like they kind of like add a special element. I've been like wearing these non-stop all summer. Last but not least, I have one more item from Target, which you've probably seen because it's been really popular, and it is this swimsuit. It is so freaking cute. It's got like an underwire and then just straps like that. I also got the matching bottoms, which are kind of like really high-waisted, but I never wear them because I feel like it's like already so narrow in the back, and then they like ride up and end up looking like long like swimsuit bottoms, which is obviously not the look that I'm going for when I'm hanging out by the pool at my house. But I just love this like really pretty lilac color too, like spot on Target. Like they always have really good bathing suits, but this is like almost something that I would not expect to find from Target. That is everything. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications so that you always get notified when I upload, and comment down below any suggestions that you have or what you liked or didn't like about this video. I really love your guys' feedback. Also follow all my other social media down below. I have my Instagram, Spotify. I really want to do a drive with me, so comment or like this video if you want to see that. But other than that, I'm gonna stop talking because my videos are always so long. If you liked anything that you saw, it is of course linked down below. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.